Hello, welcome to Xiaochuan English Live. In this video, I will show you the Dean Village, which locates in the west part of Edinburgh. It was recommended by a Scottish local people. It's around 10 minutes walk from the city centre of Edinburgh. It seems that it became too rainy, but I hope it's okay to visit the village. Wow, it seems that the sky a little bit strange. So here is the Dean village, and we have already arrived. It's just like a small village, and it's very quiet. I can smell the flower is pretty good. It's very smelly in this area. There is some residents walking in the streets, but it's really quiet, and I can hear some water just flow in the river, a little noisy of the water. It's nearly 9 o'clock, so here is very quiet, and I pretty enjoy the circumstance around this area, just like I have already come back home. Actually, there is a garden just in front of me, but I'm not really want to go there, so that's all the video. Hope you will enjoy it. Wow, I'm just surprised that there is a small waterfall behind me. That's the reason I can feel a little bit noisy from the water. And there is a bridge just behind me. If you watch very clearly, you can see there is a bus above the bridge. Oh my god, I haven't seen like this house. It's quite strange. A little bit scary, you know. I do believe that here is a quite rural area, so there are a lot of CCTV. So people use the CCTV to monitor the security of their house. Now I just climb up to the bridge and just go across this bridge. There is a church. Oh my god, I just feel very scary because it's very tall in this bridge. Okay, that's all the video I get today. And I think it's recommended to come here if you enjoy the ghost walk, right? So see you next time, bye bye.